Hello guys, how are you? Hope so you are doing well. First of all, myself Kashif Taslim and welcome to my channel SEO-friendly Studio. Are you ready to share your first video on YouTube but not sure where to start? Don't worry. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how to upload your first video, optimize for its views and make sure it looks professional. So let's get started. Step number 1. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct channel. Step number 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the plus icon and you will see your option like create, shorts, lives and upload videos. Select upload a videos and select video. Tap next and tap an attention grabbing the titles. For example, how to upload your first video YouTube step by step. In the description box, add a brief summary of your videos and relevant stage and YouTube tutorials and important links to social media related videos. Okay, and I copy a title, how to create a YouTube first mobile step by step, and I paste this title. Next, add description. I copy a description and copy. Let paste it. Then my public visibility is public. I select a public. Next, alternate content. No, it's not made for kids. I select. My video is uploading now. You can either select frames from the video or upload custom thumbnails, make your Canva pics, arts. And just wait a minute, my video is uploading now. My video is uploading now. 72% is uploaded. Only 35 seconds it remains. Then step number 6, my video is complete. Then you see this my video. A thumbnail. A thumbnail is very important to attract viewers. You can either select a frame from the videos you upload and custom thumbnail made using Canva, PixArts and etc. Okay, I select a thumbnail. This is my exact thumbnail. I selected a save tab button. My thumbnail is uploaded. Then refresh. Step number 8. Click on your videos is live. For example, once everything looks good, tap upload and wait for YouTube to process your video. You know now, my 2 videos is already uploaded, and then I recently videos upload how to create YouTube channel on your video. Step number 9. Share, promote your videos. You're uploading, share the videos on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook to get more views. Engage with viewers by replying to comments. And then tips for more viewers. Always use a high quality thumbnail. Write an SEO-friendly title and description. Use the page and text to help YouTube recommend it for your video. Share your video on social media. And thank you so much for watching my channel, watching my videos. And like, subscribe and share me. And forward, I am confident his channel will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.